Hello and welcome to a brand new episode of Joe Semi. Thank you for tuning in. My name is Joe. I've got a special video about Carner Barcelona. Believe it or not, this is my first Carner Barcelona perfume inside of here. This was actually sent to me from Carner Barcelona, Spain. Not Euro perfumes, believe it or not. This actually came from Carner in Spain. So I'm excited to be testing out the first time whatever's inside this box. And I believe what's in here might be an eruption. What do you think? Do you think this thing is going to explode and erupt? What do you think? Let's take the lid off of this thing and see what's inside. All right, we got some more paper. Got our unboxing here. Sorry about the noise. Ooh. And then it comes again in little satchel like this, and inside of this guy right here is, ladies and gentlemen, drum roll please, I said we're gonna have an eruption, and we are. It's Volcano. All right, folks, this is Volcano. I'm gonna be testing it out for the first time. So happy that the notes are written on the back of the box. Let's have a look at this. This is so pretty. So pretty. The fragrance opens up like a clamshell, just like this. This is a 50 ml EDP. Carner is known for doing these bottles that are like cubes with the wooden caps. I believe they have 100 ml and 50 ml. But this one is called Volcano. Love the way this looks too, by the way. All right, let's have a look at this. Ooh, I like this. So we have Bulgarian rose, Indonesian nutmeg, and ginger. Patchouli, Indian cypriol, Somalian frankincense, vetiver from Haiti, Spanish labdanum, benzoin from Laos, Spanish cistus, and oud accord. Yes, oud rose, of course. But not like every other oud rose that's out there. Definitely more emphasis on the frankincense, the cypriol, the spice of the nutmeg. I think this is more of a spicier rose oud than most. It's very nice, very nice. And I'm excited that this is my first, and hopefully not my last, Carner Barcelona to add to my collection. This entire series from this black series is definitely on my radar. I'm also interested in the ones with the dragons, and I'm also interested in all the amber ones that they're doing too. The amber ones definitely have my attention. So, what one of these from this series was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. I'm going to be rocking these soon on skin. And then I'm going to let you know what I think about them as I wear them. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you again in the future. Take care.